Good morning, RGS learners. I am so excited to see you today. I hope everyone had a wonderful spring break. Now, we are going to talk about Grumpy Monkey. Oh, Grumpy Monkey. Maybe we can make him not grumpy anymore. It's a very cute story. Grumpy Monkey by Suzanne Lang, illustrated by Max Lang. Same last name. I bet they're related. Or maybe married. That would be cool. Okay, so let's look. We are on project 2, because you're in 2nd grade, number 4. And it's called Grumpy Monkey. And we will be discussing subject, background, and details today. Okay. Now, our vocabulary words for this project are line, texture, facial expression, repeat, and overlapping. Oh. So we've already studied line and texture, facial expressions, happy, sad, mad. So you can practice some facial expressions. Repeat. It just means doing something more than once, right? You're repeating it. And overlapping. Ooh. Now, we haven't had that as a vocab word before, but it's just when you draw something over the top of something else. Yeah, so you have overlapped it, like I'm overlapping my hands, okay? Now, our inspiration today is literature, okay? And it's our book, Grumpy Monkey, okay, which I showed to you. It's a great new book, Grumpy Monkey. And in our art idea packet, you will be doing page, 7, 1, and then 3, okay? And you can do them in that order. So page number 7, 1, and 3. And if you forget, you can just rewind the video and check out what pages to do today, okay? Now, let's get started because there's a lot to learn in this project and I know you're gonna love it. All right, I'm gonna switch my camera around and let's get started. All right, friends, you will need one 9x12 piece of drawing paper. The drawing paper is the thinner paper. It's not as thick. Okay. And what I would like you to do is, I'm actually going to use my marker first. So you can use your marker, or if you feel more comfortable using your pencil and then tracing your lines with your marker, that's fine too. And this will be a mixed media project. So we will be using our crayons and our markers. And if you want to use your colored pencils too, go right ahead. Okay, we're going to start in the middle of our page, and I'm going to be using my brown marker to start. Okay. We are going to make Monkey's the top of his face. Okay. And then the bottom. And then we're going to make a circle around. And then we're going to make those big monkey ears. And I like this because I get to make my favorite line in his ears. Do you guys remember what that line is called? The spiral line. I love it. Now his body. You're going to start about 2 fingers under his ear. And you're going to make his little monkey body. And then his little monkey legs are, you're going to start from the side of his body. And you're going to go out and down. So kind of like that tapered line, right, that we learned earlier. So a tapered line. And then we're going to go next to it. Remember, that's called a parallel line, when you put two lines next to each other that do not touch. And then we're going to make his little feet real simple today. Okay? Like little gripping feet. Okay? His little cute little monkey feet. Like he's going to grab onto something. Good. Now next, we're going to make the branch. So you're going to go way up about 1 finger from the top, and you're going to make a wavy line, and then you're going to make another wavy line. So again, those two lines are parallel. Now, for his arms, super easy, parallel lines again. We're going to make 2 parallel lines for one arm over his head, and 2 parallel lines for his other arm. And then we need to show his monkey hands at the top. So we're going to make an upside down bumpy line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There. He's gripping onto that branch. Oh, that cute little monkey. Now, you can give monkey lots of different expressions. If you were here, I would be giving you this handout. Okay, I think you can see it. It's called Monkey Expressions. So I'll leave it on the screen for a minute, and you can go back and you can choose any of these monkey expressions that you would like. All right. I might choose that one today. That's kind of cute. So I'm going to make it look like his eyes are closed. There's a few wrinkles next to his eyes. A couple little monkey nostrils. And then his big monkey mouth. That will show his teeth. I think it looks like monkey's laughing. That's why I like this one. But you can also make monkey grumpy too. That is completely up to you. All right. So that's what I'm going to do with marker right now. Actually, no. I'm going to go back in with my leaves. I think that might look nice to use marker for leaves also. So let's go back in with the marker. And remember, monkey's in the jungle. So let's make some big leaves all around monkey. So you can make overlapping leaves too. Remember, we talked about overlapping. Look at, so this one is behind monkey's ear, right? Because I started my line, I picked it up, made my imaginary line, and then on the other side of monkey's ear, I put my marker down, and I finished my line. Ooh, there we go. And I can make another leaf back here. Don't forget to put veins on your leaf. So all around monkey, you can use your marker, you can use your colored pencils, your crayons. That can be your creative choice today, what you use for your leaves. But I want to see a lot of leaves all around monkey. Lots and lots of leaves. And I want to see overlapping. Ooh, look at, there's a big leaf that I just overlapped behind monkey's legs. Oh, Monkey's gonna be so happy playing in all these leaves and the trees. So, I'm gonna probably stop there. Oh, yeah, we want to add some above the branch too. So let's add a couple leaves up here. All right, so there we go. Now, I am done with my markers for right now, and I'm going to go on to my crayons. So what I would like you to do with your crayons first, I'm going to use regular monkey colors, but if you want to make your monkey purple or blue or green, that's going to be your creative choice today. Okay. I'm going to use my black. I'm going to use my black today, and I'm going to make some texture lines on Monkey's body to represent fur, his furry little body. So you can make small little dashed lines, little curved lines all over to show fur on Monkey's body. So he's pretty furry, so add lots of little lines. You can add some on his feet, maybe in his ears. You can add some lines around his face. There. Cute little monkey. Now I'm going to take my brown and I'm going to color over my texture lines. You can even watercolor over this if you have watercolors at home. I know we just watercolored our last project, our ammonite. Okay, so I'm going to let you finish coloring Monkey's body. And I want Monkey's face to be a different color. Okay, so after you finish coloring Monkey's body, I'm going to go back in and I think I want to color his face orange. That would be cute. But his teeth would be white. So I don't want to color his teeth white. Okay. And then on your tree branch, don't forget to add some texture. You can add some wavy lines to follow your branch. And then color that in. I might color Monkey's hands in a little bit darker so then you can see them better. You want to be able to see them on the branch. And now, after we're done coloring Monkey's body, then you get to color the leaves. So I want you to see how many different colors of green and yellow you have to color those leaves. Because I want you to try, let me see, if we colored green, this is yellow-green, this one is green-yellow. So try to find as many different colors of green and yellow that you can. Here's a regular green. Maybe you even want to try, a blue-green. That's kind of fun. As long as it has green in it, Give it a try. And yellow. Remember, it's nice and bright in the jungle. It's hot and humid, so those leaves grow big. Okay, friends, so I want you to finish coloring all the leaves, and then it's your creative choice if what you would like to color the sky too. So maybe we're under the canopy of a bunch of leaves, and the canopy of leaves just means that the leaves grow over the top, and it's might be dark in some areas. So maybe where monkey is, it's a little bit darker, and there's so many leaves that the sun can't get in all the way. So you can definitely see that this is coming together so nicely. So your whole background, okay, we're going to finish it up. Oh, I love it. If you even want to draw some little insects on the branch, you can. So I'm going to stop there. I want to see your finished monkey on Art Sonia, please. And then the pages that we're going to work on today. Let me see. We are going to work on 7. So page 7, I want you to pick 3 objects from the room and add to a drawing. So my objects are, I found a glue stick, I had a coffee cup with coffee in it, and it was on my table. So that's an example of page 7. So have 3 things together and draw it. And then page 1, you're going to write your name in color wheel order. So I want you guys to write your first and last name. I wrote Mrs. Graves. So color wheel order. And next is page 3. You are going to draw a picture with your favorite color using only a monochromatic color scheme. So that means you have to use one set of colors. So maybe you want all different pinks. So here are 3 different pinks. Oh, there's one more. Okay, these are all like in the pink family. Now, maybe you want to use all greens like we just talked about in our leaves. You can use yellow, green, green, yellow, whatever greens you have, regular green. Maybe you want to use oranges. You could use red, orange, yellow, orange, regular orange, orange, yellow. So you pick one set of colors. Of course, I chose green for this one. Okay, have fun with your grumpy monkey. I want to show you, this is an example of a watercolored grumpy monkey. And he is grumpy. So you can finish the one that we were working on together. You can also watercolor if you would like. And I would like you to complete the 3 art packet pages. Okay, friends, have a wonderful rest of your week. And remember to print Grumpy Monkey on Art Sonia so I can see it. All right, bye, friends. And don't ever forget that it's a great day to be creative.